How's it going today there, YouTube? Well, first and foremost, I wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody out there. I'm kind of a day late in doing this video. Worked on Thursday, worked a bit this morning, had to go in and plow roads and whatnot. I've got quite a significant snowfall up here the last couple days, so got to keep the roads plowed up there at work, so I'm going to do that today. I just wanted to talk for a minute here real quick on kind of what I got planned for 2021 as far as YouTube channel goes. Of course, most importantly, I want to do Steam show videos because obviously with 2020 being COVID year, there was no tractor shows and whatnot. Tractor shows are a good part of my content here, and people like to see those, and plus you get something to look back on a cold winter day, and you can look back at the shows when it's sweltering hot outside and you go to take the tractor out and play around with it and whatnot. And someone's got a skid steer or something across the street. Anyway, yeah, of course I want to do more tractor show videos and whatnot, and I do want to get into more anti-tractor stuff, and there is projects out there that have the potential of coming home here. I got offered a very nice Oliver 99 a few nights ago. It has the side screens, good fenders, electric start, generator lights. It's 1949 model. It's a very nice tractor. It's a little expensive, but you know it's worth the money. I think it's a potential candidate to come home here. An Oliver 88 that I'm interested in. I'm not really looking to do too much trucking right now. Of course, with the big snowfall, I'm not really interested in going for a big long trip when it's snowing. So I'm thinking in the springtime will probably be a better time to bring machinery home and whatnot, so we'll have to see what happens with that. Of course, I've been busy working overtime all in the fall, as you guys kind of noticed by lack of YouTube videos and whatnot. As far as farm toy stuff goes, there probably will be an unboxing video or two. Kind of gotten away from the farm toys here the last couple of years, of course, doing antique tractors and whatnot, so if I do pick something up of significance or get a big order of stuff, you guys will of course see that, but that's kind of whenever I decide to get something, I guess, which hasn't been a whole heck of a lot here in the last couple of years. So yeah, of course, it'll be tractor shows and antique tractor stuff and things like that to come here in the future, and hopefully you get some shows this year. Kind of been looking at this W4 here a little bit today. I was hoping to sell it at this year in the fall time. If Milton comes around, I might put it for sale in Milton, see if anyone's interested in it, but we'll see about that when time comes. Of course, it'd be a shame to sell it now and not take it to any shows. Of course, all the time, effort, and money you put into it last year and the year before, it'd be a shame not to take it anywhere. So I think we're gonna keep it for at least one round of shows anyway. But there are other potential tractors out there that I would like to bring home. I wanted to make a mention in the video here as well that there is a brand new antique tractor YouTube channel out right now. A friend of mine, Rick Drinkwater's channel. It's called Ontario Vintage Tractor. He's got some great content on there. He's got a W4, I believe it's the same year as this one, 1951. Got some great videos out there now. He's just getting started, so I highly suggest you guys go over and give him a like and subscribe if you're interested in it. And we got to do all we can do to keep these tractor channels going. Of course, there's not many to start with, and not very many people interested. Of course, on YouTube, there's everyone's into video games or whatever else there is. We've got to do all we can do to keep this old stuff going. As always, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.